There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
There goes my head shaking, and you are the reason. My heart keeps bleeding. I need you now. If I could turn back the clock, make sure the lights feed the dark, spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I need you to
see that you are the reason. I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna hurt no more. I don't wanna cry no more. Come back, I need you to hold me
closer now, just a little closer now. Come a little closer, I need you to hold me tonight. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I
need you
to
see that you are the reason.
Sonarima ito roa tu jolomi hupasat manian holong ni rohaki ngaleleng setar pai maaf oloroho ito muli tua Radhe duruhaki menjalo rohami iya semacai sora akilala aki hasian tiop mata aku buat Majalor rohani iya macai sora akilalaki hasian tiop mata ko buara itu tulang bumi
satu hoto itu dilambuki
suara itu naupang sita suara itu naupang ngiro hola no mariho
hola komaria
hasia marsia jua kita unang marsia kita hasia satu hoto itu dilambuki suara itu naupang sita suara itu naupang ngiro hasia marsia jua kita unang marsia kita hasia
Mari kita bersatu dalam doa. Tuhan Allah Bapa kami yang bertakhta dalam kerajaan surga, terima kasih Bapa atas berkat dan karunia-Mu di mana Engkau telah melindungi kami mulai dari pagi ini hingga saat ini ya Bapa. Bapa dalam kerajaan surga, kami mengetahui Tuhan bahwa Tuhan tidak pernah meninggalkan umat-Mu yang selalu berseru pada Engkau, di mana khususnya di hari ini ya Bapa. Pemberkatan nikah beri kami anak kami di sini Bapa. Kiranya dalam pemberkatan nikah kami mau berangkat ke gereja, Engkau hantarkan Bapa. Engkau lancarkan setiap kegiatan kami hari ini, mulai dari awal, pertengahan hingga akhirnya nanti dalam acara ini. Kami pertaruhkan ke dalam tangan-Mu. Berikan kami kesehatan kekuatan Bapa untuk melaksanakan acara di hari ini. Kami percaya Bapa, Engkau nggak pernah meninggalkan kami yang selalu berseru memohon kepada Engkau. Terima kasih Bapa. Sebelumnya Bapa, ampunkan akan salah dan dosa kami. Doa ini kami sampaikan hanya melalui Putra Yesus Kristus yang hidup. Haleluya. Amin.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live and love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Oh, you look so beautiful in white. Na, 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 na. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we'll let her go.